two different options. Tenemos dos opciones diferentes. The monkey bar, la barra del mono. You're just going to hang in. Solo me voy a agarrar and I'm gonna fly. Y voy a volar. You can drop wherever you want. Puedes soltarte cuando tú quieras. The swing, el columpio. Sitting, sentado. Just sit on it, on the swing. Solo siéntate en el columpio y disfruta and enjoy. Second, upside down, de cabeza. Swing on my back, columpio en mi espalda. Walk to the edge, camina a la orilla. Turn around and jump out. Y brinca hacia atrás. Okay? The trick is let it go heads. And when your finger touches the water, sit back. Truco, toca el agua y cuando tus dedos lo hagan, siéntate de vuelta. Okay? Superman. Swing in my belly. Okay? Hold it behind, agárralo atrás and jump out. Y salta. Okay? And the Miley. Y el Miley Cyrus, you're gonna need a helmet. Vas a ocupar un casco. Just one leg on the swing, una pierna en el columpio. Hold it on top and lean back. Agárrate arriba. Okay? When you land it, cuando aterrices, just swing to the left side. Solo nada a la izquierda. Let's go there. Vámonos. Who'll go first?
I'll try.
All right, right.
Princess for that one.
I wrote in it. I don't know. Can we do it again? Oh.
I didn't know that the photography was.
Vamos a lo fácil primero.
Sorry.
Camina al frente, no puedes.
Espérate un momento, antes de tratarme.
Vas a flexionar.
Vamos a ¿Hablas español o hablas inglés?
English.
Okay, we're gonna wait for her, okay?
Stay in the water. Yeah, sounds good.
Now, because you are told I need you just a little more.
Oh yeah, no worries.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Enjoy your ride.
I can go?
Yeah.
Are you stuck? They're gonna haul you back up.
I got it.
Oh,
It's super funny.
I face planted again.
See the pena, eh? That
Oh,
one
Brianna.
is better than this one. I mean, the one with the legs up.
Yeah, you like that better?
Than Superman.
Really, you like that better?
For me, it's funnier.
Yeah.
Also.
Yeah. Did you face plant?
Yeah. No, I twisted around.
We got to do that again.
Yeah. Do you like the bar?
I do.
I do
yeah,
too.
I face planted.
Yeah.
I got a
saw
bunch of
that.
water in my face.
I love this water, man.
I got water in my everything. Hey, you're gonna cross the lily pads. You don't know what kind of critters are over there.
Great. Muy bien.
Me voy de una vez, gordo.
Yep, can I go?
Yeah, yeah, of course.
All right. Here she comes. I got that one. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, right? You land on your butt, not on your face. Yeah, way better. Go right there. Just ran on the water from that lily pad. Right there. Oh! I think he ran over there. I didn't see it, but maybe it got on the camera. That was crazy. He literally like skedaddled on the water over into the weeds. That was good.
The same for me.
Right side's numb. Right side's down. That's why I just ran and jumped instead of thinking about it. But then as soon as I jumped, I'm like, I'm not gonna feel good.
You're in the air longer than you.
Yeah, I know. Exactly. You're like, oh crap.
I slapped my hand. I'm not doing that one.
And this camera cable hit me right in the chin too.
Really painful.
Yeah.
Squat down and
Go. Down and out.
Woo! Here comes the misses. Here comes Miss Knackers. Oh yeah! Oh yeah, let go! Good job. This is awesome. Whoa, waterfall over there.
Sit down. And 3, 2, go!
I think I found the snakes. I'm just kidding. Yes! Woo! Doggy! Good job! That's awesome. Good job. Shibelba. Shibelba. That was fun. Did you like that last? End up liking that last part?
Yeah,
That's good. Daggum. Jeez Louise. I almost prefer swimming. Jeez. Xenote.